The best monitors for 2024. The abundance of options in the computer monitor market can be overwhelming for those seeking to enhance their workspace or gaming setup and choose the best monitors. Furthermore, advancements in technology such as OLED Flex, QD-OLED, and integrated smart platforms have rapidly transformed the landscape, bringing improvements in color accuracy, image quality, size, and resolution. However, fret not, we'll guide you through the maze of computer monitors and assist you in determining the ideal monitor or monitor type for your needs. Whether you're a business user, content creator, multitasker, or an avid gamer, here's a quick overview. Samsung T35F, affordable option under $200, available at Walmart. LG UltraGear FHD 24-inch gaming monitor, another under $200 option with a price tag of $257 on Amazon. HP U28 4K HDR monitor, priced under $400 at $422 on Amazon, offering excellent value for content creators. Gigabyte G27QC, a 27-inch 1440p curved gaming monitor under $400, priced at $250 on Amazon. BenQ PD2705Q, a versatile 27-inch monitor under $400, available for $400 at Adorama. Here are the factors to consider. Panel type. TN, VA, and IPS panels cater to different needs, with IPS offering superior color accuracy and viewing angles. Screen size, resolution, and display format. Larger displays and higher resolutions are becoming increasingly popular, with ultra-wide and curved monitors gaining traction. 4K resolution is recommended for content creators, but ensure the screen size is adequate to notice the difference. Portable monitors are emerging as a convenient option for laptop users, typically offering 1080p resolution in sizes ranging from 13 to 15 inches. HDR. HDR support enhances vibrancy in entertainment and gaming, but ensures the monitor meets minimum HDR standards for optimal performance. Refresh rate. Higher refresh rates are desirable for gaming monitors, with 120Hz or higher recommended for a smoother experience. Inputs. Thunderbolt, DisplayPort, and HDMI are common inputs, but compatibility may vary depending on the monitor. Color bit depth and gamut. Serious content creators should opt for monitors with higher color bit depth and coverage of modern gamuts like Adobe RGB and DCI-P3. Console gaming. Monitors supporting 4K 120Hz HDR gaming are ideal for console gaming, ensuring a premium gaming experience. Pricing and parts shortages. Monitor supply may be affected by supply chain issues, so consider the MSRP while shopping for monitors. For working from home, the best monitors prioritize factors like screen size, resolution, color accuracy, ergonomic design, and connectivity options to enhance productivity and comfort during long hours of use. Based on these criteria, the HP U28 4K HDR monitor stands out as an excellent choice. So, out of the best monitors for working from home would be those with diverse connectivity options and comfort primarily. Other options include Dell S2722QC, Asus VG246H, and Dell U2723QE.